Hey, this is Jeremy, and welcome to the Daily Devo. Today we're talking about being made new in Christ. I was watching this TV show the other day, and the people that were starring in it ran a property renovation company. They would come into a beat-up house and then they would renovate it so that it was like it was brand new. They came across a house that it looked okay for a fixer-upper, but as they got into the supporting structure and the foundation, they discovered that they had some serious problems. It was so bad that they decided it would be better to tear the house down and build something brand new. This is like what Jesus did for us when he died on the cross and rose from the dead. We couldn't be fixed up. We needed to be made new. Check out what 2 Corinthians chapter 5 and verse 17 says. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. Old things have passed away, and behold, all things have become new. Think of our old life before Christ, like that house that I just described. On the surface, we think we're okay, but the issue with sin is it decays everything it touches. It's a virus that the only cure is Jesus. So rather than just putting in some new carpet and some new drywall, God decided to make us brand new. When you accept Christ into your life, you're made brand new. He doesn't see you as a renovated house or a fixer-upper, but a brand new one. This is awesome news. It's a free gift that you can't earn and will never deserve, but you were given it anyways. If you're following Jesus, this is a great reminder because it means you really need to let your past go and embrace that you're new. Don't let guilt and shame from your past diminish the sacrifice that Jesus made for you. You may need to remind yourself the old you isn't who you are anymore and that you're a new creation in Christ. The old has passed away and all things have become new. Now, with that said, you need to live as if you're new in Christ, but also recognize that people around you may not see or believe it right away. They have known that old you for probably quite some time. That old you has some serious history. Don't be discouraged by the fact that they don't see it yet. It's not about them anyways. Just begin to share what God has done in your life with others, and be patient, and recognize that some may never change their mind about you. But many will, and see the proof of your testimony, and it'll encourage them to make a change in their own life. One of the coolest things about being made new is it can cause others to look to Jesus and be made new also. So today, let go of your past, embrace that you're brand new, and share with someone what God has done for you. Thanks for joining us today on the Daily Devo.